Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register a domain name with Godaddy, step by step, in this full 2025 guide. Whether you're starting a blog, an online business, or just want your own personal website, getting the right domain name is your first big step toward building your online identity. So let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to godaddy.com. GoDaddy is one of the most trusted and popular platforms for buying domain names, and it also offers hosting, email, and marketing tools. But for now, we'll focus on registering your domain. Once you're on the homepage, look for the domain search bar. Type in the name you'd like to register. This could be your business name, your brand, or something personal. Try to keep it short, easy to remember, and free of numbers or hyphens. These little details make a big difference when people try to find you online. After typing your name, click search. GoDaddy will instantly check if that domain is available. If it's taken, don't worry, it's totally normal. GoDaddy will suggest similar names or alternate extensions like .net, .org, or even newer ones like .shop or .tech. Take a moment to browse these options and choose the one that fits your purpose best. Once you find an available domain you like, click Add to Cart. You'll then see a few optional add-ons, such as Domain Privacy Protection. This feature hides your personal information from public records and helps protect you from spam. It's usually a good idea to keep it turned on. When you're ready, click Continue to Cart. Here, you can choose how long you'd like to register your domain, usually from 1 year up to 10. If this is your main website, I'd recommend going for at least 2 years, so you don't risk losing it when it's time to renew. Next, review your order summary. Make sure your domain name, duration, and any extras are correct. Then, click Proceed to Checkout. You'll either sign into your GoDaddy account or create a new one. After that, add your payment details and complete the purchase. Once your payment goes through, you'll receive a confirmation email and congratulations, your domain is officially yours. You can now connect it to a website, set up email, or start building your brand online. That's it. You've just learned how to register a domain name with GoDaddy step by step. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.